Know that God is always thinking and acting bigger than whatever you are believing Him for. How priceless your thoughts are to me as well. God, the total of them is amazing. God is thinking about you all the time. There is never a time when He is not considering you. His actions toward you are countless. Your thoughts about us cannot be recited to you in chronological order. If I were to declare and discuss them, there are too many to count. We are in the Lord's thoughts, and He will bless us. Publish this and tag a Paul to inspire them, because my ways are not your ways, and neither are your thoughts my ways, as the Lord says. For the same reason that the heavens are higher than the earth, so too are my ways and thoughts than yours. God's thoughts are always more significant than yours. They have a clear sense of purpose and are affluent, serene, and pure. Type Amen if you believe.